Alright, what's wrong with this picture? I don't know about you guys, but these chrome lug nuts have been bothering me for a while, probably since I purchased this car. Not really sure what Chevy was thinking about, but we're about to change it. So after doing some research, I have decided to go with the McGard lug nuts for a couple different reasons. I mean, obviously there's Gorilla lug nuts, there are a bunch of other aftermarket lug nuts that are in black color, obviously, and I was even looking at some titanium lug nuts as well. I couldn't really justify the cost for what they are. I mean, yes, they're lighter, but I'm not really going for weight savings or anything like that, so mostly for looks and practicality. And this kit is it's a pretty good kit. Comes with lug nuts, comes with locking lug nuts as well. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, so documentation. Alright, so you get a little baggie here where you can put your locking key. Alright. Here are the locking nuts as well. You get 4 of them, obviously. And then lug nuts themselves. So I like the fact that, well, they're not too long, not too short, and they are closed. Very similar to what the stocks are, but except they're tapered down a little bit in the front. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a 21mm key for your locking key and a 22mm for the lug nut. Alright, same thing for the stock. You also need a 22 for the stock. I'm also going to use the extension just so the wrench does not hit the wheel. And of course you will need a torque wrench. The setting for the torque is 140 Newton meters. Oop, I'm sorry, 140 foot-pounds, not Newton meters. And that's it. So let's go ahead and put them on. Not really sure I picked the right date to work on this, but nonetheless, it should be pretty quick and easy, so let's get it done. And just to make my life a little easier, I'm going to use my impact wrench to take the chrome lug nuts off, and I'll manually tighten the new black ones. All right. So. This is where the extension comes into play, specifically for this situation. Alright. Alright. 40. Let's do the next one. Helps a little bit. it is. 2 more to go. The locking one. Okay, that's that. Quick and easy, even in the 95-degree heat. Alright, let me install in the rest of them and speed things up. Alright guys, so that was quick and easy install of McGard lug nuts. I personally like them a lot. Hopefully that was helpful for you. I never was really crazy about the chrome lug nuts to begin with, so this is a perfect substitute for me. If you enjoyed the video, if it was helpful, please don't forget to give thumbs up and obviously subscribe to the channel. And I will see you on the next install video. Take care.